In the world of nutrient-dense beverages, fresh juice stands tall. A concentrated source of essential vitamins and minerals, a simple glass can be a powerhouse of nutrition. Think vitamin C, A, K, and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all in one gulp. But it doesn't stop there. Fresh juice is a champion for immunity, boosting white blood cell production to fend off infections and diseases. It's a friend to your digestive system too, increasing digestive enzymes and regulating bowel movements. For those on a weight loss journey, fresh juice is a supportive companion. Low in calories, filling, and a regulator of blood sugar levels, it can help keep those unhealthy snack cravings at bay. And let's not forget the skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in fresh juice protect the skin from free radical damage and keep it hydrated, radiating a healthy glow. Your heart will thank you too. Fresh juice reduces inflammation, lowers blood pressure, and decreases the risk of heart disease. Need a quick energy boost? Look no further. Fresh juice provides natural sugars for a quick pick-me-up and essential nutrients to maintain energy levels. And as you age, fresh juice continues to support you, protecting cells from damage and supporting cellular function. So, for a beverage that offers a multitude of health benefits, reach for a glass of fresh squeezed juice. It's a simple choice with a big impact.
Little tree publications and food forests.